Alright guys, I'm recording the last bit here on my phone. I have finished up the install, buttoned everything back together. As you can see, I just ran a couple self-tappers there. I'll probably go back and do something on the top end after I've got the rest of the gauges or later. I'll probably just stick one right there to secure it like that. But as you can see, it is all put together and it functions. If I turn the car on here, there we go. The gauge works. I think, according to the instructions, it has 7 modes, including a color shift mode. Yeah, there's color shift. Base, the automatic function is blue. I've chosen to set it to green, and what I like about this is you give it a constant power source so that it'll save what you set it to. So I don't have to set it to green every time I get in. It just automatically is that way. I'll link in the description. Both the gauge pod and the gauge came from Glowshift off Amazon. And I bought 18 gauge wire to complete it as per the instructions said. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.